Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Bittr to buy Bitcoin directly into your Specter DIY hardware wallet. Bittr makes it easy. You just send a bank transfer and your Bitcoin goes directly into your own wallet each time. For the first setup, you only need to sign a message with your wallet to prove the ownership over that Bitcoin address. In this video, we will use the Specter DIY together with the Specter Desktop app. This setup also works with any other compatible companion app like Sparrow, for example. To get started, go on getbittr.com and click on Buy Bitcoin. Then enter your email address and go to your inbox to confirm it. Next, enter your IBAN and click on Next Step to proceed. Well done. Now you have to select your wallet. For the Specter DIY there is no integration yet, so we need to sign the message manually. Click on Other Wallet. You now see a message that your hardware wallet needs to sign. Copy that message and then open Specter Desktop. Once Specter has finished launching, select your device and then choose your wallet. Next, go to Addresses to see your Bitcoin receiving addresses. Choose any address you prefer. Then click on Sign a Message to access the message signing feature. Paste the message from Bittr there and click on Sign Message via QR code. Now it's time to turn on your Specter DIY and load your wallet by entering the recovery phrase. Once you entered your 12 or 24 words, go to Scan QR code. Now take your Specter DIY and point the scanner at the QR code displayed by Specter Desktop on your computer screen. The device now displays the message again. Double-check it, then go to Confirm. Your Specter DIY will now show your signature as a QR code. The final step is to scan this QR code with your computer's webcam. To do this, go back to Specter Desktop and click Scan Signature. Your webcam will open automatically. Hold your Specter DIY with the QR code to scan it. And that's it. Great job. You will now see the signature in Specter Desktop. The final step is to copy and paste both the Bitcoin address and your signature into the Bittr website. Now let's choose how Bittr will send your Bitcoin. You have two options. If you want to use only the one address you signed the message with, to receive Bitcoin, select Use Single Bitcoin Address. I also want to show you how to add an XPUB. With an XPUB, your Satoshis are sent to a new Bitcoin address every time you purchase Bitcoin. This is better for your privacy. To add your wallet's XPUB, go back to Specter Desktop. Click on your device on the left, then click the small QR code icon to view your XPUB. Copy it and paste it into the Bittr website. And that's all. Now all you need to do is complete a bank transfer with the details provided on the Bittr website. Once your transfer is received, your Bitcoin will be sent directly to your Specter DIY. Let's set up a bank transfer to complete the process. Open your banking app and enter the name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you'd like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to do it once, and everything will run automatically. Don't forget to include the payment description as a reference. Once your transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr, letting you know that your purchase was successful and that Bitcoin has already been sent to your wallet. The email will also show important details, like the amount of Satoshis you bought and the exchange rate used for your purchase. And that's it! You're now all set up to buy Bitcoin directly into your Specter DIY with just a single bank transfer. Happy stacking!